Rolling.
Oh, wait, hold on. Joel, can you make an announcement?
Should we do a clap?
Guys, it's enough. We're doing EBK nice and quiet. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on working nice and quiet.
So, tell me your name and where you're from.
I'm Gualu and I'm from Guam, from the beautiful island of Guam.
So this morning, before we started working, you got everyone together and we did a blessing. Can you tell me why we did that?
Well, it's part of our culture that on the starting of the day, especially on a group like this, we have to do a blessing and start our day with a good vibe and make sure no one gets hurt.
Yeah, and these are sacred lands.
Yes, and then it's a sacred land. It's one of the oldest village.
Why is it so important that this movie shows genuine Chamorro people?
Well, this movie's is very important for us because it's part of our promotion and the culture, and especially a lot of our locals involved in here in this, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.
The Chamorro people have had a lot of struggles,
Oh yeah. It's a long history. From 500 years ago, we've been, contact with the Western, and it's been on and off, and it's pretty hard.
Yeah. What is the hardest part about maintaining cultural identity?
Well, the hardest part right now is there's so much influence, computer, internet, phone, everything, Netflix, everything. So,
We like Netflix though.
oh yeah, we love it. It's the best, but everybody watches it, right? Everybody wants it. Everybody, and we cannot blame them. But the influence. We don't need to wash clothes to be a wife, right?
Right.
Now you can just drop it somewhere and they'll wash it for you. Those are the things that the culture. You see the culture.
Yeah, and we were talking earlier that you weren't even that aware of Operation Christmas Drop.
Yeah.
I wasn't either, if it makes you feel better, until this movie.
Yeah, actually, it's hard because it's from the heart, and I'm actually like, close it down.
Originally, you wanted them to close it down because they were mowing through the...
They're breaking up the land. Yeah, it's a quarter of the island now has been destroyed. So it'll get better, hopefully,
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll forgive each other. But
Yeah. Well, it's good because they are bringing all these, necessary goods and items and support to these outlying islands that don't have it, that wouldn't get it otherwise,
oh yeah, yeah.
So that's a good thing.
Thank you for that.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you hope people see when they see Chamorro people for the first time? What do you hope they take away?
I hope they take away our I hope they take we hope they take some of our culture with them. We try to promote our culture from, dancing and carving and sailing and so much, but that's our responsibility now to perpetuate and pass on,
Yeah.
So we're losing our culture from the influence, but we're trying to perpetuate more. So,
Yeah.
it'll be okay.
So you speak fluent Chamorro?
Yes. I speak fluent spiritual, but the younger generation, they are like I said, there's no cell phone that is tomorrow. So everybody has to start learning the second language.
Can you just selfishly, so I have it, the prayer you gave was so powerful. You could feel the energy just shift and like it was different. Could you just maybe give me a little bit for the people that maybe want to feel it at home? Just as a prayer for the Chamorro people and for this land of Guam?
Yes, actually the prayer is more for our guests that are here to give them protection while they're here and be safe, go back home and everything's safe and to start with our day.
Yeah.
So everything is connected on that. Yeah, and the Chamorro people likes to do a small prayer, whenever we go into the jungle because the spirit is very strong.
And what are you actually made this?
Yeah, actually I carved this 10 years ago and I just left it in the village and now it's all of this, these are all my...
All your canoes?
All my remains, yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
So you're a canoe maker, would you say?
Yeah, yes. I've been carving for maybe 20 years now.
And no measurements, all by your eye, right?
Everything's all eyeballs, yeah. So that's part of the unique carving techniques. Not using measuring tape and everything. All by rope and your hand.
And for the people watching that will see this all over the world, what do you want them to donate? Like people to donate when they see the outlying islands that don't have anything? What do you want them to donate?
There's a lot of Mother Nature thing, right? And I hope that whenever a disaster or anything happens somewhere else, that all of us will be help and give hand and give whatever we can give to help. Because
Let me get them to stop.
days and time everybody needs help. So it's
But like mosquito nets.
Mosquito nets, hats, clothes, whatever, and much luck is great. Thank you.
Thank you. And anything else you want to add?
Just want to say half a day and sign a mossy.
Nice. Thank you. Perfect.
Yeah.
Now we have lots of footage and you're in the movie.
Thank you.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. So just do it!